For primer, I'm going to use the YSL Blurring Primer. I don't know, it makes my skin really nice and soft. And I'm just putting this on like around my nose, on my chin, basically where I've got like the biggest pores. Use the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Polish in the shade 220. But I'm not going to use too much, only a little bit. With a foundation, I know it looks like 10 times too dark, but it's because I need it to match my tan. With foundation, it's always better to like apply a thin layer and like build it up in the areas where you want more coverage. So like instead of applying loads all over your face, it's just going to like slip around. So if you just apply it like in a thin layer all over, and then in the areas where you do need more, like I'll probably apply more on my chin and around my nose, then you can apply extra without it being too thick, and it shouldn't slide around too much, especially once you've like set it with powder and everything. Always blend down your neck, always, even if it all matches. I'm really sorry for that ugly makeup faces I'm doing. For concealer, I'm going to use the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define. Today I'm using C5, but I don't want to apply too much, I just want a thin. I mean, I say that, it looks like I'm applying loads. To create a song, I don't want to miss a beat. I'm going to use the Mercier translucent powder. Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun. The MAC Give Me Some bronzer. We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. And then with a small fluffy brush, I'm just going to dust away the powder that's under my eye. I've done my eyebrows. I'm looking a bit crazy because they're so dark. I use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow in dark brown, and then the Freedom Brow Kit just to like fill in the fronts and define the bottom, and then carve them out with the Touché All Night foundation, just because it's like full coverage. If I was doing like a really heavy eye makeup and loads of eyeshadow, then I'd use the P. Louise makeup, like the P. Louise eyeshadow base. That is like amazing. It makes your eyeshadow pigments like stand out so bright. I'm going to use the Milani Baked Blush in Luminoso. Mine's a mess, but I literally love it. It's like my favourite blush ever. It's nice because it has like a bit of a shimmer to it as well, so it adds like dimension to your face without looking matte and flat. Matte and flat, that one. And I'm just going to set everything I have on so far with the, this is just from Superdrug. I don't use like a proper setting spray. This is just the Vitamin E Hydrating Mist. I swear it's like £2, but it does like exactly the same things as setting spray. It just soaks up all the excess powder. For highlighter, I literally only use my Dolby highlighters now. I'm obsessed. And I'm going to take the shade Shine Bright. I'm just going to apply it. Again, if I was doing like a full heavy glam, then I'd use the Iconic London Illuminating Drops underneath the powder foundation, powder highlight. Through the wastelands, through the highways. You literally like melt into the skin like butter. Like and then just a little extra, I'm going to use Pretty Little Glare. I'm just going to apply this just a little bit. Oh, this is so nice. I don't think I'll ever get over how nice these are. So I'm going to use the Lulu lashes, which I've already used, so you can tell I've already used them, and I've cut them to size. Lashes are on. I'm just going to take some of the Benefit Huda bronzer just like under my eye. Then for lips, I'm just going to take the Boon lip gloss in the shade Yes Girl.
Till I get up, time is barely on our side.
Excuse me.
Take a picture. Why do I just look like a fucking idiot? Why do I look like a mole? What's going on?